They are the enormous granddads of our state. Most of Tasmania's wet forests, and there's quite a lot of them, are home to giant trees.
In fact, as far as big plants go, these Tasmanian specimens stand out on a global scene.
In terms of the having the largest flowering plant on Earth, we've got it, and the only other competitor is a conifer gymnosperm species in California, which is a completely different line of lineage of flowering plants. And so as far as Australia goes, we've certainly got the biggest eucalypt and a very large number of these giant eucalypts which are occurring in the wet forests of our island. We've got three eucalypt species which dominate those ash forests: Eucalyptus delicatensis, Eucalyptus obliqua, the stringy bark, and Eucalyptus regnans, which is the mountain ash. The other species we have is Eucalyptus globulus, which is our floral emblem, and that's ranking now as the biggest, or fattest, as you might say.
Up until the last 10 years, nobody really looked for giant trees, so if they were in state forests in which was marked for harvesting, they would perish.
But new legislation means they are now not only protected, but searched for on a daily basis.
In Tasmania, there's a lot of these kind of trees. We've got 85 known ones that we've actually located and measured. In 2000 we had only 10 of these known, so since then we've located an additional 75.
Most of Tasmania's giant trees are found in ash forests. They are usually in the transition zones between wet and dry, and the interesting thing is they wouldn't exist at all if it weren't for wildfire, which opens up their seeds.
In the absence of wildfire, these eucalypts eventually senesce and die, and the forest will revert to a climax rainforest, and so we have to have a fire in the lifetime of these eucalypts for them to regenerate.
The lifespan of these big trees is between 300 and 500 years. If there's no fire in this time, they'll simply die, slowly rot, and eventually be blown down.
Giant trees are found all over Tasmania, but one of the best places to see them is in the Styx Valley.
Yep, over half the Styx is protected from harvesting. All Tasmanian trees that meet the criteria to be listed as giant trees are protected.
Now you can see the register of giant trees on the web at gianttrees.com.au.